Thanks for your interest in the Audacity Bundle. Today, I'll break down exactly what's inside, who this bundle is designed for, and how it can help you reach your audio goals. So if you're wondering whether the Audacity Bundle is right for you, keep watching. Who is this bundle for? Alright, so who's going to get the most out of this bundle? It's perfect if you're using Audacity for any of these goals. Audiobook narration, professional voiceover work, podcast editing, better voiceovers for your content creation, general voice editing tasks. Even though these goals are different, they actually share a similar process. Here's why the bundle is versatile enough to cover them all. The process behind the bundle. Let's look at what you'll be doing with any voice project. First, you'll record your voice. Then, you'll work to enhance the sound quality through some basic processing. You'll clean up any unwanted noise or imperfections. Finally, you'll export your finished audio file. This same process applies whether you're creating a podcast, doing voiceover, or narrating an audiobook. And that's what the bundle is built around, covering the steps you'll need for any kind of audio editing. What's inside the bundle? So, what do you actually get with the Audacity Bundle? Here's a quick look. Audacity courses, these cover everything from beginner basics to advanced techniques. Pre-built macros, ready-made settings that make processing faster and easier. Custom EQ, a unique EQ setting designed just for your voice. Let's go through each of these. Audacity courses. First up, the Audacity courses. You'll get both beginner and advanced levels, covering all the essential tasks in Audacity. I'll walk you through each part of the process step by step. Then, I'll show you how to apply these skills to specific tasks, like meeting industry standards for audiobook quality, enhancing the clarity and impact of voiceovers, editing podcast audio. Once you have the basics down, you can easily apply what you know to each of these projects. You'll feel confident taking on any of these tasks by the end of these courses. Pre-built macros for faster editing. Next, you'll get 11 pre-built macros that integrate professional EQ settings. These macros let you improve sound quality in a single click, save loads of time by automating repetitive tasks, avoid common errors that happen with manual adjustments. Basically, you'll speed up your workflow and get great results without needing to tweak every setting by hand. Custom EQ based on your voice. The final part of the bundle is a custom EQ setting built for your unique voice. You'll send me a sample of your voice recording, and I'll create a custom EQ setup that perfectly complements your vocal tone. This custom EQ alone is valued at $197, and it's an amazing tool to help you sound your absolute best. But don't just take my word for it. Here's a great example of how this bundle has helped real users succeed. Check out Lee McLaughlin's post on LinkedIn. He shared his experience publicly, which shows how much value he got from the bundle. You can also read more student reviews on the Audacity Bundle page. Audacity version compatibility. No matter which version of Audacity you're using, you'll be covered. I created separate courses for Audacity versions 3.5, 3.6, and 3.7 to match each version's interface. So you'll get a seamless learning experience with whichever version you have. Bundle value. Alright, let's talk about the value you're getting. If you purchased everything separately, the cost would add up to $585. With the bundle, though, you'll get everything for just $197. How to get the bundle? You can purchase the bundle from two places. The bundle can be bought from the Patreon link or from my shop link. The price is the same in both places, but they offer various payment methods. You can order from any of the following links, and I will give you access to the courses within 12 hours. So, that's everything inside the Audacity Bundle. If you're serious about improving your audio editing and making your project sound professional, this is the complete package. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you inside the course.